If you're using email sequences in Monday CRM, this is one setting you need to understand because it controls how people unsubscribe from your emails. Inside sequences, you can build automated email cadences with multiple touchpoints and delays between each message. But naturally, not every lead is going to want to keep receiving emails. And this is where unsubscribe control comes in. If you go into your sequence setting and open Rules and Notifications, you'll see a section called Unsubscribe Control. From here, you have two options. The first option is a global unsubscribe. If someone clicks this, they are going to be removed from all of your sequences. They won't receive any automated emails from your account moving forward. So this acts as a full opt-out across your entire CRM. The second option is the unsubscribe from this sequence only. This means they stop receiving this specific email cadence, but they can still receive emails from other sequences. So the key difference is simple. The global unsubscribe removes them from everything, and the sequence unsubscribe removes them from just that one flow. Now here's where this becomes important. When you're building your emails, you need to actually insert the unsubscribe link. So inside any email step in your sequence, click the plus button and select unsubscribe link. This will add a hyperlink directly into your email. And depending on your settings, that link will follow one of the two rules we just set. Now, one important thing to keep in mind. In many cases, you're required to include an unsubscribe option for compliance reasons. So this isn't just a nice-to-have feature, it's something you need to configure properly. And depending on how you're running your outreach, you may want to choose between the global opt-out or the sequence level control. So, quick recap. The global unsubscribe removes them from everything. The sequence unsubscribe removes them from just one sequence. And you control both inside your sequence setting. And if you're running outbound or automated emails in Monday, this is something you want to set up correctly. And if you want more breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.